How to repair your trunk latch on your Challenger. Remove those little plugs. And then when you get them all out, your panel will hang there like that right there. Then you take that bolt out. That bolt out. Then you unplug that little plug right there. Be careful with it, don't break it. Unplug that. Your bolts are 10 millimeter. Got one on each side. And you see that little white piece right there? It goes to bad. That's the reason why the trunk went open. If you're having any trouble with your trunk, that's the main problem right there. And then you install your new piece, plug your wire back up, and your trunk should work. Have a good day.